5 plumbing tips every homeowner should know. Shutting off your main water valve. Knowing where your main water valve is and how to turn it off is crucial if you experience leaks or a burst pipe. Find your water valve by looking in your basement or crawl space. Most valves shut off by turning them clockwise. Check your valve annually to ensure proper functionality. Preventing drain clogs. When sink tub and shower drains start to move slowly, a clog is on its way. Some daily habits can go a long way in preventing clogs before they start. Be sure that your tub and shower drains have hair traps and that your sink drain has a strainer. Never pour grease down the drain, and always discard food scraps in the trash before washing dishes. Unclogging a drain. When a single drain runs slow or becomes clogged, try a few simple methods to release the clog. Plungers can be used to loosen clogs in sinks, toilets, and tubs. For hair clogs, a tool called a hair snake can be inserted into the drain. Its teeth grip the hair, allowing you to pull it out through the drain. For minor clogs from soap scum or light grease, a solution of baking soda and vinegar may loosen the clog. Fix a running toilet. When toilets run continuously, you could be wasting hundreds of gallons of water each day. Remove the tank lid and check the mechanism. Simple issues include a loose chain or stuck flange. If you see something broken or if the tank has excessive rust, the mechanism might need replacing. When to replace faucets. Sink, tub, and kitchen faucets typically last 15 to 20 years. If your faucet is less than 15 years old, tightening or replacing the faucet's cartridge could stop drips and leaks. If it is older, or if you notice excessive dripping and leaking, it is likely time to replace it. Plumbing issues aren't always major problems and can sometimes be fixed on your own. But when they are, or you simply want to be sure the job is done right, trust the plumbing professionals at Catons. Catons Plumbing, Drains, and Water Cleanup. Your plumbing problem solvers. Call 410-267-6141 or visit callcatons.com.